Hey there, fellow travellers. Ready to explore Switzerland? This country is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes and charming towns. Let's dive right in. First up, the majestic Matterhorn. This iconic mountain is a must-see. Whether you're an avid climber or just love scenic views, the Matterhorn won't disappoint. Picture yourself on a clear day, the peak towering above you. It's like stepping into a postcard. Next, let's head over to Lucerne. This picturesque city is nestled between a stunning lake and the towering Swiss Alps. Wander through its medieval Altstadt, or Old Town, with cobblestone streets and colourful buildings. Don't miss the Chapel Bridge, a beautiful covered wooden bridge that dates back to the 14th century. Now, for those who love a bit of adventure, Jungfraujoch is the place to be. Known as the top of Europe, this high-altitude wonderland offers breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks. You can take the Jungfrau Railway to reach the summit, where you'll find an observation deck, an ice palace, and even a snow park. On to something a bit cosier, Zermatt. This car-free village is perfect for a relaxing getaway. Stroll through the charming streets, enjoy fine dining, and take in the crisp mountain air. Plus, it's a great base for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. Now let's visit the serene Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, it's a paradise for outdoor activities. From paragliding over the lakes to hiking in the nearby mountains, Interlaken offers endless adventures. And if you're a fan of water sports, the crystal-clear lakes are perfect for kayaking and paddleboarding. Finally, don't miss Geneva. This vibrant city is known for its beautiful parks, the iconic Jet d'eau fountain, and the headquarters of the United Nations. Stroll along the lakeside promenade, explore the old town with its historic buildings, and indulge in some world-class shopping. Switzerland truly has something for everyone. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a nature lover, or just looking to soak in some beautiful views, this country won't let you down. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, share it with your travel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.